Now, India's Supreme Court has agreed to hear a petition from the opposition leader asking for an investigation into the Hindenburg's allegation of financial fraud by the Adani Group. The petition is now listed for hearing on February 17th by the top court. That comes on the heels of the Indian government and the market regulator, the SEBI, agreeing to the top court suggestion for a committee led by a retired judge. The committee will look into the market route in the Adani Group and suggest improvements to the current regulations. The SEBI, though, has informed the Supreme Court that it is already investigating the Adani Group over Hindenburg's allegations. Separately, the question which tops the list is the broader market can the Adani Group refinance without any trouble? In a credit report on Tuesday, the Adani Group said that it has enough cash reserves and does not have any difficulty in raising money. Now, that report was aimed at countering Hindenburg's critical allegations and claiming investors. The group said that the gross debt of the Adani firm stood at about $27.3 billion at the end of September and is expected the debt load to remain around that amount by the end of March. Since the US research firm's probe became public, Adani Group stocks lost more than $120 billion. Given the borrowing costs have risen for the Indian empire, scrutiny of the cash condition of group firms has also increased. Picture this. The cost of borrowing for one of Gautam Adani's led firms jumped as high as 36% and settled around 25%. That clearly shows how expensive it is for Adani Group companies to finance their debt. Ratings agency Moody's Investors Service had previously expressed doubt regarding Adani's ability to raise money or refinance its debt. The Adani Group, for its part, has repaid some of its debt to soothe investors' nerves, and the founder of the Adani and the companies have paid off debt totaling about $1.11 billion and committed to reducing debt in the coming months. A Reuters report showed that India's troubled Adani Group is in talks to repay about $500 million loan. The group had taken the loan to purchase a controlling stake in cement business last year. The ports unit also intends to repay some debt in coming April.